All right, y'all, what's going on? Hey, happy end of November 28th over here in North Carolina. Hey, so I'm gonna go out there and mulch some leaves with the 42 inch right there. Okay, the 42 inch CRZ from Bobcat, all right? Bobcat CRZ, all right, 42 inch. Why is this an awesome mower? Okay, I'll tell you why, all right? So, you're probably wondering, like, what size of mower do I get? Oh, the 40, 42, 48, 52, 60. Y'all, I highly recommend a 42. The reason being is over here where I'm at, I don't know about y'all. I've had this mower for I bought it in 2019, okay? I bought it and then I thought it was the best idea to sell it, buy it again, you know what I mean, buy a new mower. But I just kept it, all right, in 2020, all right, when I bought it again. So, been using the same Bobcat CRZ since 2019, all right. It only has 512 hours on it, all right, 512 hours, okay. This was a part-time job for me, okay, because I was in the Marine Corps, all right. So after work, you know what I mean, I get out of base, I come home, hook up the trailer, and take off and do more. So it was part-time, y'all, okay. And then I got the Bobcat 52 inch, all right, and that was my prime mower in 2020, all right. 2020, that was my, no, 2021, that's when I got it. So that was my main mower in 2021, okay. And now I'm full time now. Well, I ain't gonna say full time yet because we're in fall season. We're doing fall cleanup. I still have a total of 35 customers I'm taking care of. Just fall cleanup, y'all. These are the same customers for lawn care season, all right. But now we're just mulching leaves, mulching pine needles, or blowing pine needles around the trees. So you can still continue your business in the fall or your side hustle, okay? But hey, you like my beanie? All right. What do you call it, little candies? You know, my wife got it, during Halloween because little candies. Anyway, but it feels good, y'all. It goes with the lawn care sweater. Anyway, why a 42 inch? Why? Because it could get into every gate. Almost 99% every gate. Okay. This season, I only had 2 gates where I couldn't get into. I had to take my push mower because I had a small chain link fence. All right. Other than that, y'all, it has been in every gate. It could get into every gate, y'all. Okay. So I take my 42 inch with the 52 on my 12-foot trailer. All right. And when I have a couple customers who have to use a 42 inch, so I just take the 42 inch off and do their backyard. All right. But other than that, y'all, it could get into even when you don't think it could get into the gate, it will slide right in there. I'm barely touching both sides of the fence posts. It'll slide in there, y'all. A 42 inch. My recommendation, if you're starting off, I recommend get a 42 inch Bobcat, Hustler, Exmark. A brother of mine from church, he got the Exmark 42 inch. He's happy about it. All right. So I'm happy for him. All right. He's gonna make some money. The pros with the 42 inch. Now the pros for the 42 inch, I already told you, it could get into 99% in all the gates. All right. It has a Kawasaki engine. All right. That has hydros from Hydro Gear. Okay, kid. The hydros have a cover on there. All right. You know, it has a fabricated mower deck. All right, it's not that residential kind. You know, the cons are it didn't have a suspension seat. That's a aftermarket suspension seat. Hey, I recommend if you don't have a suspension seat on your mower, get one. All right, because when I was mowing lawns before I had that suspension seat, my back will be hurting, y'all. And when you're like 46 years old and you have 27 years in the Marine Corps, all those hikes, patrols, all that wear and tear on your back, all right, your spine's all jacked up, you got bulging disc in your spine, you know what I mean, you know, arthritis in your spine. Hey, y'all, that suspension seat will save you, man. It will help you out, okay? So I highly recommend get a suspension seat, okay, if you don't have one. That's an aftermarket one. just Google suspension seat and you'll see that one, right? It looks just like that with that orange handle, okay? I did take out the slider thing, all right, because it was hard to put on there. As you can see, I still got the little kill switch right there, all right? Just in case I flip over and fall out, it'll stop the mower, okay? I put these little spacers I got from Lowe's on all four sides just to raise it up so I could make sure that fits in there, all right? Other than that, y'all, 42 inch, all right? If you don't know what size to buy, you're already starting out, get a 42 inch, it's awesome. And if you want to like step up, all right, get a 50, get a 48, get a 52, get a 60, all right? I have a 52 inch, it's out of commission right now. I'm waiting for, I ordered some spindles, okay, because I didn't walk the yard and I hit something real hard and spindles all jacked, I just got real loose, all right? And even though if it's commercial grade, y'all, if you hit something real hard, man, wear and tear on that mower, man, you'll start breaking things, okay? So just be careful, right? It's your equipment, it's your gear, it's just putting food on the table, so just make sure you take care of your equipment, all right? Other than that, y'all, hey, a 42 inch, man, it's the way to go, okay? It's the way to go, all right? Hey, if you don't want to take baby steps, you want to go up poof further, hey, get that 52, get that 48, get that 60 footer. But just keep in mind, a 60 foot, I said footer, 48 inch, 52 inch, 60 inch. All right, hey, want to step up and get that 52 inch, 60 inch, then get it, all right? But keep in mind, they might not fit in all the gates, okay? But 42 will, all right? So that's why a 42 inch is the way to go. You can't go wrong. You can never go wrong with a 42 inch, okay? My backpack PB 9010T blower back there. We're gonna go mulch some leaves, y'all. All we're doing is blowing leaves away from the house, the fence, and trees, and just mulch them. I got me some mulching blades on there. I put them on there yesterday. I did a video on that. Just check it out, y'all. Mulching blades or gator blades, whatever you want to call them. Hey, thanks for watching. God bless. See you on the next video. Bye.